Blizzards from Dairy Queen are thick blended ice cream treats that you can recreate easily at home. Simply pulse 2 to 3 cups of vanilla ice cream in a blender until smooth. Add your choice of mix-ins, milk, and vanilla extract, and blend everything together on low. Pour the mixture into serving cups. Garnish the top with extra mix-ins and store any leftovers in the freezer. If using a stand mixer, chill the mixing bowl, beat the ice cream on medium speed, add the mix-ins, milk, and vanilla extract, and combine on low. Scoop or pour the mixture into serving glasses, garnish with mix-ins, and store leftovers in an airtight container. Remember to let the blizzard soften at room temperature before enjoying.